A double cut crease eye look is a bold and dramatic makeup style that can make your eyes appear larger and more defined. Here I am presenting a step-by-step guide on how to achieve this look. Hi, this is Kanmani Pandian, makeup artist. Welcome to my channel. Always I'm starting with my eyebrows. It's a game changer of my makeup look. So first I comb my brow hair with spoolie and then I fill in sparse areas and define the brows with the help of pomade in the shade black. And then I apply a light shade concealer to clean up underneath my brows all over my lids. The concealer is from Forever 52 Multitasker palette to ensure my makeup stays in place and the colors pop. And then I set it with some translucent powder. Before creating to my eye makeup, I am going to stick it with a sticky tape to the eye look will become crisp and sharp. Touch and feel the socket area to create the first crease and define it with the darker shade eyeshadow. Draw a thin line and blend. And then I am taking the mixture of blue and purple eyeshadow and blend it with the darker shade of my first crease in upward direction. But I don't go too high. I am blending it below my brow bone. For carving out the first crease, I mark 3 points. One is in the center of my eyelid and the second one is in the inner corner and the last is the outer third of my eye, and connect the 3 dots together with the help of concealer and a flat shaded brush, and I am applying the concealer starting from the inner corner to the outer wing. And then I clean my extra space of my eyelids with micellar water and Q-tip. For the second crease will be very clean and crisp. The micellar water is from Garnier. And then to create another crease, I am applying concealer to my eyelid from the inner corner to the outer third of my eye and also leave some gap between the two creases. Later I fill that with glitter liner to define both creases. I am not going to set the concealer with translucent powder. Instead, I am going to set with eyeshadow. This is a blue theme, so I go with the Turkish blue first. Dip into the Turkish blue of my palette and set the inner corner, and then light blue to the center of my lids and outer third set with the dark blue and blend colors together each by slowly adding colors when you're happy with your intensity. For the outer wing, I'm going to be use the gel liner in black. Using an angled brush, I'm going to be first draw out the outer wing. Then I'm going to be go parallel to my cut crease line just in the outer corner. And then with the same gel liner, I'm fill with the outer third, and then I'm taking little bit more black eyeshadow and set the gel liner and blend it out with the another eyeshadow. Add more drama in my eye look, I am applying a silver glitter liner precisely between the both cut crease for sharp defined eye look. And then I line my upper lash line with black gel liner and finish it with a coat of mascara and eyelash. After this, I am going to remove my sticky tape. Can you see how crisp the edge is? And then I clean up fallout underneath my eyes, set it with some concealer and translucent powder, and then continue with my lower lash line. I am doing the same process on my lower lash line and fill my waterline with a gel liner and sharp the inner corner as well, and applying a coat of mascara on my lower lash line to open up my eyes. And done rest of my face with setting powder, blush, contour and lipstick, and finish the look with wearing a long earring. And here is the final look. Hope this tutorial will help you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on creating a stunning double cut crease eye look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so never you miss an update. A big shout out to all my subscribers and everyone who supports my channel. Your love and encouragement means the world to me. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep blending those shades. Bye guys.